What is EarnIn and how does it work in the US? EarnIn is often described as getting paid early. That sounds harmless, almost like a perk, but there's a detail people miss. You're not creating extra money, you're changing the timing of money you already earn, and that timing shift can either save you or quietly trap you. If you're thinking about using EarnIn, I'll break down what it is, how it works behind the scenes, and the one move that keeps it from becoming a repeating habit. I'll hold that move for the end. What is EarnIn exactly? EarnIn is a financial app in the US designed to give you access to part of your pay before your official pay. It's commonly grouped with earned wage access tools, meaning the app tries to estimate what you've earned so far and lets you cash out a portion. In plain terms, EarnIn connects to your bank activity and looks for patterns like regular pay deposit. Depending on how you get paid and how your work is tracked, the app may also use location or time-related signals to confirm you're working the hours you claim. To users, it feels like a simple feature. In the background, it's a system built around eligibility, verification, and control limits. How does EarnIn work in practice? You start by signing up, verifying your identity, and linking the bank account where your paycheck lands. EarnIn checks your pay schedule and transaction history to understand when you normally get paid. Then you request a cash out. The app lets you transfer a portion of your earnings to your bank account before payday. Delivery timing can vary based on the method you choose, but the key idea is that you're pulling forward money you would have received later. On your payday, EarnIn typically takes repayment automatically from your linked account. That automation is convenient, but it also means your payday balance may look smaller than you expect if you forget what you already pulled for, how people actually use it, and what goes wrong. In real life, EarnIn is most useful as a buffer tool. One unexpected bill hits, you cash out what you've already earned, you cover the gap, and you move on. Problems begin when the gap isn't occasional. If you cash out every pay period, your early money becomes part of your normal budget. Then payday stops feeling like relief because a chunk is already committed to repayment. Another common issue is treating EarnIn as a fix for overspending rather than a fix for time. If your expenses are consistently higher than your income, pulling money forward doesn't solve that. It just makes the next payday tighter. People also get surprised by how much verification matters. If your pay pattern changes, your deposits shift, or the app can't confirm your work signals, your available amount may drop right when you expected it to be there. What nobody tells you about the trade-offs, the big advantage is control over timing. You can smooth out life between paychecks without turning to high-cost option. The trade-off is psychological. When cashing out becomes normal, it can blur the line between earned so far and available to spend. That leads to living on a shorter cycle where every week feels like a scramble. There's also a planning trade-off. Automatic repayment means you must think ahead. If a bill is scheduled for payday morning and repayment also hits, your balance can dip faster than expected. The app doesn't know your full calendar of obligations unless you plan for it. This is why EarnIn works best as an occasional bridge, not as a constant routine. Wrap up, the move that keeps EarnIn from becoming a habit. EarnIn is a US financial app that lets you cash out part of what you've already earned before payday, usually by analyzing your pay deposits and using signals to confirm eligibility. Then it repays itself automatically from your account on payday. Now the move I promised. Every time you cash out, immediately shrink your next payday in your mind. Assume that money is already gone and adjust your spending for the rest of the pay cycle. If you do that, EarnIn stays a tool for timing problems, not a crutch that keeps the cycle tight. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.